Hi, to enable and disable app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A35, as a first step, we would need to open settings on the phone. Here, let me return back to the main settings, and now we would need to scroll up or down to find Home Screen tab. So let's scroll a bit, and yep, here it is. Select it, and after that, go in Home Screen Layout, and you'll see those two options, home and app screens and home screen only. So if you would like to enable app drawer, select first option, home and app screens. And now everything will be really organized because you'll see not so many apps on the home screen, but the rest you'll find in your app drawer. So to enable it, you need to simply swipe up, and here is the app drawer. Now let's return back in the settings, select home screen layout, and if you would like to disable app drawer, you need to choose second option, home screen only. If you tap this button, apply, you'll see your every app right on the home screen, and it will look something like that. And now you won't be able to swipe up to enable app drawer, you'll see just the search bar here. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.